So, can an FPV drone that Andres made chase a rocket? That's what we're going to be finding out today. So FPV drones are like the new top-of-the-line technology these days, and they're used for all sorts of things, including like cinematography and like racing and things like that. So we thought of something, maybe we could get this new rocket that we built, the Mean Machine, and try to chase it with an FPV drone.
You guys have so many subscribers.
Well, no, so I guess we're doing good so far. We're doing pretty good.
Because when did you guys make the channel?
It's like June.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, well, so
it's like 50 subscribers per month.
No, it's like 28 per month, and it goes up exponentially.
Like
we get like a sub
no,
a day
180.
now at
Yeah.
this point.
I thought you had 300.
It's on average a sub a day, but they come in like bursts, you know, based on our videos. But Andres here has got the quad ready. We got the Mean
Mind
Machine.
if I do a warm-up pack or whatnot?
Yeah, the longer we stall, the more time the fins have to dry. This was kind of this was kind of done like last minute, so we had to like put a match to the fins. But all right, so. For some reason, there's a really weird misty trail. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe and like. But other than that, have a great day.